From feeding to finished product, witness the perfect fusion of technology and deliciousness. Set packing weighing 300 grams. Crispy biscuits are accurately put into the warehouse with zero loss of raw materials. Multi-head weighing system, 0.1 gram error control. Each bag is a golden ratio. Customized films are better for showcasing your products. 40 bags each minute, high-speed packing. Heating sealing, 3 sides sealing without air leakage. Fully automated conveyor belt. Finished products are transported to the turning table in an orderly manner. Upgrade your machine now and get a free customized packaging solution.